Subscribe to Mind, Body and Soul and press the bell icon for more updates.
Viparita Karani, which means literally upside down. Your head and your chest are going to be below the feet. That will allow all the blood to flow down towards your head and your chest and give you a nice restful space to be in. So find a nice wall where you can set down a mat. Scoot over to it. Make sure your hip is flush against the wall. And you're going to lie down and gently swing the legs up, making sure both the hips are flush against the wall. You can just stay there if you like, or if you want to add more relaxation, and if it feels good to you, slide a bolster or a pillow underneath your hips and just settle down. Allow yourself to be there for 3 to 5 minutes, breathing really nicely. You will feel your legs starting to relax and your back starting to relax, and this is really very therapeutic, very good to rest. Stay healthy, stay connected to yourself, and I'll see you in the next episode.